Well, hello there everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy and it is time to get cooking. Now today I am making a delicious, comforting dish called Chicken Tetrazzini. And oh boy, this is hearty, rich, creamy, delicious, easy. Yeah, I can go on and on about this dish. It's a family favorite. It's so good. Let me go over the ingredients that you will need and show you just how to make it. All right, so you're gonna need some chicken. Now what I have here is around 1.5 pounds of frozen, boneless, skinless chicken breast that I have allowed to thaw. But you can use whatever chicken you wanted, whether it's the thighs, tenderloins. You can even pick up a rotisserie chicken and shred that, which would save you some time. Then you'll need 2 cans of cream of chicken soup, 1/2 cup of chicken broth, 1 16-ounce container or 2 cups of sour cream, 1 stick of butter, 1/2 cup of butter, some salt and pepper, 2 cups of a shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/4 cup of grated parmesan cheese, and then you'll need 1 pound of pasta. You can use linguini, you can use fettuccine, you can even use spaghetti. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I need to cook my pasta and my chicken. Now, I'm gonna show you a little time-saving tip. You can cook your pasta and your chicken separately, but I'm going to kind of do this together and I'm going to show you just how I do that. I have a large pot here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my chicken in this pot, cover it with water, bring my chicken up to a boil, then I'm going to add my pasta into this pot and cook my pasta and my chicken, and this will just save me some time and it'll save me an extra pot to wash. And I also added a couple good pinches of salt to the water that I cooked the chicken and pasta in. All right, so while my chicken and pasta is cooking away in the pot on the stove, I'm going to make the sauce for the chicken tetrazzini. So in a large bowl, just want to combine your soup, and then your chicken broth, then the stick of butter I have melted in the microwave, and then I'm just going to stir until all this is combined. Oh, almost forgot my Parmesan cheese, and a pinch of salt, and a pinch of black pepper, or a couple pinches of black pepper, depending on how much black pepper you like. All right, now I'm going to give it a good stir. All right, so once your pasta is cooked through, I just like to take my chicken and remove it and place it into a bowl, and it's easy to remove. It floats right on top. So I'm going to take my linguini, I'm going to pour it back into the same pot I cooked it in, and then I'm going to pour the sauce over top of the linguini. Then I'm going to give it a good mix, making sure all the pasta is coated with the sauce. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop my chicken and I'm going to add it to my pasta. And I'm only using about 1.5 pounds of chicken, but you could add as much chicken as you want, whether it's 2 pounds, 3 pounds, that is completely up to you. With the increase of food costs and the price of chicken, I really wanted to show you guys a budget-friendly option. And one way to do that is to use the frozen boneless, skinless chicken breast, and then to just chop your chicken into smaller pieces, and that'll really stretch that chicken a lot further. So that is what I'm going to do. So when you get your chicken, just simply cut it into smaller pieces. I'm going to cut that out. And this really will help as far as stretching that chicken. All right, I'm gonna just mix that chicken in. And pour your pasta into a 9x13 baking dish. And spread it out. And top with the mozzarella. All right, then you want to bake this uncovered in a 350-degree oven for about 30 to 40 minutes until the cheese is nice and melted and everything is hot and bubbly. Okay, so the chicken tetrazzini just came out of the oven and oh my goodness, it looks delicious. I cannot wait to take a bite. But you guys got to check this out. This is so good. Creamy, cheesy chicken and pasta. It's just a winter dinner that everyone loves. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.